Imagine for a second that you are walking through a dense, dark forest, and hidden all around you is an invisible enemy. This enemy is so tiny that millions of them can fit on the head of a pin, yet it has the power to bring down the strongest people on Earth. For thousands of years, humanity fought a losing battle against these invisible monsters, which we now know as harmful bacteria. But what if I told you that one of the most powerful weapons ever discovered to fight them is sitting right now in your kitchen pantry? You might be picturing some expensive medicine or a glowing chemical serum, but the truth is much simpler and much older. It is the humble, everyday garlic clove. Today, we are going to dive deep into the fascinating world of garlic, uncovering how its incredible disinfectant and bactericidal powers are especially effective against some of the most dangerous diseases in human history, including the terrifying illness known as cholera. To truly understand the power you hold in your hands when you pick up a bulb of garlic, we have to travel back in time. For thousands of years, ancient civilizations did not have microscopes. They did not know what bacteria were, and they certainly did not understand the complex biology of infections. But they were incredibly observant. They noticed that people who ate certain plants seemed to survive times of sickness much better than those who did not. According to ancient historical records from Egypt, the pharaohs provided massive amounts of garlic to the builders of the Great Pyramids. They did not do this just because it tasted good. They did it because they believed it gave the workers immense strength and protected them from the mysterious fevers that often swept through the crowded labor camps. They treated garlic as a source of life and a shield against death. This belief was not just limited to the Egyptians. As centuries passed, the legend of garlic's protective power spread across the globe. Greek and Roman soldiers chewed on raw garlic before marching into battle, believing it would give them courage and heal their wounds faster. But perhaps the most famous historical example of garlic's defensive power comes from the Middle Ages, during the terrifying outbreaks of the bubonic plague. There is a famous legend of the Four Thieves. These were men who somehow managed to rob the graves and homes of highly infectious plague victims without ever getting sick themselves. When they were finally caught, the authorities offered them a deal. Reveal your secret to staying healthy and you will be spared. Their secret? A potent mixture of vinegar infused with massive amounts of crushed garlic and other herbs. They bathed in it and drank it, creating a literal force field against the bacteria. For a long time, these stories were treated as myths or old wives' tales. It was easy for modern people to dismiss the idea that a smelly plant could fight off severe diseases. But then, modern science caught up with ancient wisdom. When scientists finally put garlic under the microscope, they were absolutely stunned by what they found. They discovered that garlic is essentially a complex chemical factory perfectly designed by nature to defend itself. You see, when a garlic bulb is growing in the ground, it has to survive against all sorts of fungi, bugs, and bacteria in the soil. To protect itself, the plant developed a brilliant defense mechanism. But this defense system is totally inactive when the garlic clove is whole and unbroken. It is completely asleep, waiting for the right moment to strike. The real magic happens the exact moment you crush, slice, or chew a clove of garlic. When the cells of the garlic are broken open, two separate elements that were kept apart inside the plant suddenly mix together. One is an enzyme called alliinase, and the other is a compound called allicin. When they crash into each other, they create a brand new, highly unstable, and incredibly powerful compound called allicin. Allicin is the superstar of our story. It is the exact chemical that gives garlic its strong, spicy, and unforgettable smell. But more importantly, allicin is a ruthless, highly efficient killer of harmful bacteria. Think of allicin as a tiny, exploding water balloon filled with acid. When it comes into contact with a bad bacterium, it sticks to it and completely destroys the bacteria's protective outer wall. Now, let us bring our focus to a very specific and very dangerous enemy: cholera. Cholera is a severe intestinal infection caused by a bacterium called Vibrio cholerae. Imagine this bacterium as a highly organized gang of microscopic pirates. When a person accidentally drinks water or eats food contaminated with Vibrio cholerae, these pirates travel down into the stomach and then into the small intestine. Once they arrive in the intestines, they do not just sit there. They start producing a potent poison, a toxin. This toxin acts like a skeleton key that violently unlocks the doors of your intestinal cells, forcing them to dump massive amounts of water and essential salts out of your body. The result of this bacterial attack is extreme and sudden dehydration. The body loses water so incredibly fast that if the person is not treated quickly, their vital organs begin to shut down. Throughout history, cholera has caused devastating pandemics, wiping out entire populations in cities where clean water was scarce. It is a fast-acting, brutal disease that thrives in the intestines. Because cholera bacteria multiply so rapidly and cause such chaos, fighting them requires a weapon that is both fast and effective at killing bacteria on contact. This is exactly where our hero, the allicin inside crushed garlic, steps onto the battlefield. According to the Journal of Applied Microbiology, allicin has a profound and immediate bactericidal effect on a wide range of dangerous pathogens, including Vibrio cholerae. When you consume raw, crushed garlic, the allicin travels down your digestive tract and meets the cholera bacteria head-on. Because allicin is so chemically reactive, it aggressively attacks the outer membranes of the Vibrio cholerae cells. Imagine the cholera bacteria wearing suits of armor. Allicin acts like a corrosive spray that immediately melts through that armor. Once the armor is broken, the bacteria literally spill their insides out and die instantly. They cannot produce their deadly toxins if their cells are blown wide open by the allicin. What makes garlic so incredibly special is how smart it is compared to synthetic medicines. When we use regular antibiotics to fight bacteria, the bacteria often learn how to defend themselves over time. They mutate, change their armor, and eventually become what we call superbugs that resist the medicine. But allicin is different. Because of the unique, complex way allicin destroys the proteins inside the bacteria simply cannot figure out how to mutate against it. They cannot build a resistance to garlic. It is like trying to build a shield against a falling piano. The attack is too overwhelming and structural for the bacteria to adapt to. This makes garlic an evergreen, permanently effective weapon against pathogens like cholera. Furthermore, another fascinating aspect of garlic's power is how it treats the battlefield of your stomach and intestines. Your gut is full of good bacteria, the friendly helpers that digest your food and keep you healthy. You might be wondering, if garlic is such a ruthless killer, does it destroy the good bacteria too? Surprisingly, the answer is mostly no. Scientific studies suggest that allicin is highly effective at targeting harmful, disease-causing bacteria like cholera and salmonella, while being relatively gentle on the beneficial flora in your microbiome. It is as if the garlic acts like a smart bomb, seeking out the specific cellular structures of the bad guys and leaving your friendly helpers alone to continue their good work. So, how can you actually harness this incredible power in your own life? It is not as simple as just swallowing a whole clove of garlic like a pill. Remember the science we talked about earlier? The magic compound, allicin, is only created when the garlic is crushed and the two inner chemicals are allowed to mix. If you swallow a whole clove, you get almost none of the benefits because the allicin is never formed. To unlock the medicine, you must crush, mince, or thoroughly chew the garlic. But there is a second, equally important rule that most people completely ignore when cooking. Once you crush the garlic, you must wait. You need to let the crushed garlic sit on your cutting board for about 10 minutes before you eat it or cook it. Why? Because the chemical reaction that creates allicin takes a little bit of time to reach its maximum power. If you crush the garlic and immediately throw it into a hot frying pan, the heat will instantly destroy the enzyme needed to make allicin, and you will lose all the antibacterial benefits. By letting it rest for 10 minutes, you allow the allicin to fully develop and stabilize. Once the allicin is formed, it becomes a bit more resistant to heat, meaning you can gently cook it and still keep some of the health benefits. However, to get the absolute maximum, pure bactericidal power against something like a stomach bug, eating it raw is always the most effective method. Many people love to mix finely crushed, rested raw garlic into a spoonful of raw honey. The honey not only masks the intense spicy burn of the raw garlic, but honey itself also has wonderful natural antibacterial properties. Together, they form a delicious, soothing, and incredibly powerful natural medicine that coats the throat and stomach, delivering the allicin exactly where it needs to go to hunt down the bad bacteria. It is truly mind-blowing to think that a simple plant, something you can buy for pennies at any grocery store, holds the complex chemical engineering required to destroy some of humanity's deadliest microscopic enemies. From the builders of the pyramids to modern laboratories studying cholera, garlic has proven time and time again that nature is the ultimate pharmacy. By understanding how to properly crush, rest, and consume it, you are unlocking an ancient secret to health and survival that has protected human beings for thousands of years. You hold the power to protect your body naturally. The next time you are feeling a bit sick, or you just want to give your immune system an unbeatable shield of protection, remember the invisible battle happening inside you. And remember the humble garlic clove waiting to be your champion. I hope this deep dive into the science and history of garlic has amazed you as much as it amazes me. Please subscribe so you don't miss the next video where we uncover more incredible secrets of natural health. I would love to hear from you. What is your favorite way to eat garlic at home? Let me know in the comments below. And make sure to click the video on the screen right now to learn about another miraculous food that can transform your health. Stay strong, stay healthy, and see you next time.